How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070032 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Welcome everybody. If you have that Microsoft Store error, I suggest you open up the search menu and search for WS Reset, which is the best match would be WS Reset, run command with the shopping bag on the left as a green background. So left click that. This way you reset your Microsoft Store. That might already fix the problem, but there is a second solution that I will tell you right after the reset is done. You will know the reset is done once the Microsoft Store itself launches, as you can see. Now for me this worked, but the second one would be to go open up the search bar again and search for troubleshoot. The best match will come up with the troubleshoot settings, system settings, left click those. And in here, go to other troubleshooters, wait till those load, and now scroll down until you see Windows Store apps. So run on the right. It's now detecting problems, and you can now go through the suggested solutions that solve the Microsoft Store error. Skip this step, and now it's detecting problems, and then go through with the solutions as I said. That way you can fix the Microsoft Store error on Windows 11. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.